The Confederation of African Football (CAF) has officially responded to Orlando Pirates' protest against FC San Elio Lupopo following the Soweto Giants' elimination from the Total Energies Champions League second preliminary round. Pirates lodged a formal complaint raising serious allegations about the eligibility of Lupopo head coach Guy Bukasa and two players, Mwalia and Kashala. According to the Buccaneers, Bukasa should not have been permitted to sit on the bench during the tie, as he was reportedly serving a CAF suspension dating back to his tenure with the DR Congo under-20 national team. The club also contends that Molia was registered after the official transfer window had closed, while Kashala allegedly possessed two different passports, an issue that could call his eligibility into question. Addressing the controversy, CAF's head of TV and communications last September confirmed that the matter is now under formal review within the organization's internal judicial structures. I said, well, the first thing I can do is to confirm that we are aware of these complaints and protest. They have been received by the CAF and are being processed through the competent judicial structures. He emphasized that the CAF's judicial processes are entirely independent, with a clear separation between administrative and legal functions, and said there is one part being processed through the judicial process, which we must respect because it's fully independent. Then there's the administrative side, which deals with the current status quo. For now, we are managing the situation as it stands and will be guided by whatever the judicial bodies decide. When pressed on timelines, September admitted he could not provide specifics and said, when, I don't know, how, I don't know, what, I don't know. It's an independent process that is happening and we respect it. We've created a wall between the administrative side and judicial bodies. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. As it stands, CAF has not issued any rulings or disciplinary measures regarding the Pirates' protest, leaving the outcome of the case and any potential implications for the competition pending further review. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.